What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors. Salute to y'all for putting up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm and do not forget to subscribe. So we are back with another SHIB update for those interested, looking at Shiba Inu, possibly thinking to invest into Shiba Inu. Overall crypto market down 3.1% right now. We got Bitcoin finally back to $22,819, down 2.4% for the day. We got Ethereum at 1820, down 1.3% on the day right now. BNB back under 300. Surprisingly, I did not expect BNB to, actually dip. I thought it would have held right around that 300 range, but it's down 4.5% at 292, looking like a good steal right now. Anytime you can grab BNB under 300. XRP 36 cent right now, down 2.8% on the day. Cardano under 50 cent, down to 49 cent right now, sitting down 7.5% for the day. We got Solana back under 40, down 5.8% right now. Some absolute discounts we're seeing in the markets right now. We can hold on just another day just in case things get even lower, but right now, if you haven't loaded up on some of these and you were thinking about it, it might not be a bad time to check it out. Now remember, this is not financial advice. It's all up to you depending on where you first bought in at. Now Polkadot at $7.83, down 6.7% for the day. We got Doge holding 7 cent nicely, down 7.2%. Even though it is down, I still think it's up nicely from where we were seeing it the last 2 to 3 weeks last month as well. Now, token of the hour, Shiba Inu, we got it down 9.3%. We finally made it back to that 13 level. How many of y'all remember when I said that after we hit that price that we broke out to, the price will be pulling back to the 13 level? We are finally back around there. Now, if we can hold this support until the next catalyst, maybe it'd be the release of Ethereum, something very exciting, a new partnership, maybe something really big, we can expect a breakout possibly to around that 25, 26 level. So that's what I'm expecting for the short term. Let's check out Twitter, see what's going on in the ecosystem. Shout out to Shytoshi to see what we got going on over here. So Shytoshi says, time to vote. Deposit vote for listing number 2, daily ranking report. So data as of 6 a.m. August 18, Vote, Venu, Doge, King, Bone, Revolt. These were the tokens. And here's that list right there. We got Vote absolutely dominating with 1,731 votes right now. I told y'all, I think in yesterday's videos that, I was pretty sure that Vote was ahead in that race. Now let's check out SHIB Informer, see what we got going on over here. Top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world by Twitter followers. Today, BNB at 9.3 million followers on Twitter. That is absolutely ridiculous. And then we got Bitcoin at 5.4 million Twitter followers. And then right after that, sitting at number 3, we got SHIB at 3.45 million followers on social media. We still got a long way to go, but imagine when we're surpassing Bitcoin and Twitter followers. I think that's possible. It's only another 2 million. If we can make a lot of noise over this next bull run, we could possibly see SHIB sitting at around 4.5 to 5 million followers. Doge at 3.44 million. Ethereum 2.7. So think about how popular Ethereum is, and SHIB almost has 1 million followers more than Ethereum. That is absolutely bonkers, y'all. XRP at 2.5 million followers. Crow 2.5 million. Solana 2 million followers. Polygon 1.6 million. pancakeswap 1.6 million. Also, retweet that. SHIB Informer said, good morning, SHIB Army. Now crypto is about money. It won't be long before we see it go beyond that. Keep your mind open. Investing is fun and exciting, but also it's social change. Like a song says, these years are the heavens past. So that was the last update we got from SHIB Informer right there. Let's see, did Milkshake come back in action yet? So we haven't seen Milkshake come back in yet. Let's see what we got in the headlines. You just want to kind of cover everything, see what the entire market is talking about, try to check out the daily sentiment. But remember, a 10% discount or more is a good chance to be buying the dip, especially on Shiba Inu. And that's just about where we are right now. So FX Street says Shiba Inu price prediction. We've all made gains. Now here comes the pain. So let's see what they're saying when it comes to the pain. Shiba Inu price follows suit. Shiba Inu prices continue to validate technical outlooks forecasted throughout the summer. Last week, a 35% increase was forecasted ahead of time, enabling subscribers a chance to partake in a profitable swing trade. However, the same bullish thesis gave a warning to immediately withdraw from market upon reaching the intended 17 target zone, as the uptrend appeared to be a part of a larger corrective structure. The technicals forecasted potential for a sharp decline once the target was reached. Shiba Inu price trades at the 1428. The volume profile indicator shows a large uptick in transactions amidst breaching the bullish target, but the bearish stop candle hovering next to it depicts a concerning signal. The bulls have yet to challenge the stop candle's force, which showed more transactions than the previous consolidation zone, which led the way to a month-long consolidation in July. Additionally, the RSI shows that Shiba price as more oversold than when the notorious coin traded 150% higher back in February 2022. So they're showing a couple different price levels. Worst case scenario, they're saying it looks like they're saying it could pull back to that around the 800 level, it appears. But I think we already broke outside of that, what they predicted. So let's take a look at the chart one more time before we get out of here. Take a look at some of these indicators, like our Bollinger Bands, as well as relative strength index. And we're on the daily chart, so RSI. So right now we are finding support along this mid Bollinger Band, which is a strong support area right here around the 13 level where we're pulling back to right now. Hopefully we can hold this. We do got a doge candle forming at the bottom of this downtrend on the day chart here for the last, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 days over the last week, basically. So forming this doge candle is a bullish signal. However, we do have the volume tapering off. We do have RSI showing that it could cool off a little bit more. But if we can get some good news in here to, keep this up, we possibly can break out of this with, a possible, let's see what percentage that would be. So if we break out into that 2600 level, that is a 90% gain from where we are. So potential 90% gains from where we are once the price breaks out to that 26 level. And that's depending on overall market conditions, us getting an announcement, something very positive like Shibarium, a release date or something like that. I could definitely see it breaking out to that price range. But in the worst case scenario, I see the price pulling back to basically possibly around that 1,000 level. That's worst case scenario. And that would play out maybe over the next week or two. But I'm more on the bullish side, of course, because, I'm rocking with the sheep army. But that's all we got for this video. You take this information, use it, don't abuse it. Always do your own due diligence. Never risk more than you're willing to lose. Keep that in mind, that crypto is highly volatile. You could be seeing swings from 60 to 80%, in volatility. So keep that in mind. But that's all we got for this video. I'm DecemberDeMarco, and we are out.